Hey guys, this is a quick unboxing video of some new planner charms that I have, and I'm going to show you how to decorate this plain business card case and add some flair. Keep watching this video. Hey YouTube, so this is going to be just a quick unboxing video just to show some things that I just recently got. So I have some new items I'm going to be adding to my website, and these are more planners. So I have new 20-piece sets that I'm putting together, and they're going to have some chunky bling with them. So I just want to show you what I have. So first, I have these really cute Prada planners. Okay, so I have these really cute Prada planners. I also have these Jordan 1 pink, black, and white tennis shoe planners. And these are very versatile. First of all, a really cute thing that you can do with these that I've done with them before is decorate cell phone cases. Then I want to show you, eventually, I have a video going to be coming out pretty soon. I'm going to use these to decorate mirrors. Okay, so let me just give you a better idea. I can show you better than I can tell you why you would want to use some of these. So I have these available in different sets on my website, but I made this as a gift for my aunt. Look how cute this is. I have the cute little shoe, the purse, and then like a little Chanel No. 5 perfume bottle. Then I made this cute little glitter bear. And then I added some other bling on here because her favorite color is red. They didn't have this mirror in red. I prefer to have it in red. But these little mirrors are so cute. You can get them on Amazon. And you know, you can just add some planners to them however you choose to do so. So let me show you what else I have. I have these cute Hello Kitties. Super cute. And then I have these Gucci inspired planners. These are nice. And you can also turn these into charms for your Crocs if you'd like to. All you have to do is add that little plunger piece on the back, and then you have some Croc charms. I also have some Sonic the Hedgehog because my daughter loves Sonic the Hedgehog so much. So I want to do her some Crocs, so I'm going to turn these into charms so I can make these on her shoes. Another thing that you can do with these is you can decorate your body butters. I like to glam up the body butters. If you watch my channel, you see how I decorated them. For example, here's a planner on this one. This one doesn't have one, but it has a cute little bear that I made. I think I'm going to go ahead and start making these bears and adding them to my website as well. Also, a cell phone case. Just to show you how you can just like lay them on there real cute, however you want to. I mean, it has 10 in the set with the bling, and you can just do how you know, do it how you want to do it. As a matter of fact, I'll probably just go ahead and do one before this video is over, just so I can show you. Oh, so the next one I want to show you, I have this really cute hot pink Chanel with the perfume bottle silhouette in the background. Those are really cute. Then I have this one that says Baddie. Really pretty. Love this one too. This one says Barbie. This one has a pink, really cute sports car on it. This one has a pink sports car on it. I thought that was so adorable. Oh, and then the bling that this will come with, it'll have either 10 pieces of chunky bling that looks like this. Super cute. Or some nice size bling that looks like this. The Tiffany & Co. planners are so popular. I mean, you guys really, really, really like these. So I have these. They're really cute. That color is just so awesome. So this time I decided to get more Tiffany & Co. I have more Tiffany & Co. just to have more options. And this is like a cute little locket purse bag of some sort. So cute. And Starbucks. I have Starbucks planners. If you're familiar with Sonic the Hedgehog, you may remember Tails. So I have that character again because my 4-year-old daughter loves Sonic the Hedgehog. So I'll be adding these to her Crocs once I purchase her a pair. Mercedes-Benz logo planners. Those are cute. These came really highly requested. A friend of mine really wanted me to have something that said Lexus on it when I do her phone case, so I had to get these for her. Then I have the BMW logo planners. Those are cute. One is a Chanel off the shoulder sweatshirt, super cute. This is one I had previously, but I had to restock because it's very popular. Love that. Pink is my favorite color. Another character from Sonic the Hedgehog. Her name is Amy. This is a nice luxury truck, the G-Wagon. Those are cute. And these are so cute. These are so cute. These are the YSL. Love those. So I'm going to make a couple things in this video just to show you how convenient and cute these are. These are my new styles that I have. These are a couple restocks, but I have 3 different sets on my website already. These are going to be updated on my website, myroyalradiance.com. But this is a business card holder, and it's like really plain. You know, I've been wanting to add something to this. This is not like plastic, so for this I'll probably use some, I don't know, we'll figure out what glue we're going to use. So let's see, which one of these am I going to do first? I think I'll do this first. So let's go ahead and decorate this. Okay, so what I'm going to do is just wipe it down with some alcohol really good, just to make sure that there's no dirt, any dust or any oils or anything like that that's on it, so that when I add the glue onto it, that it stays and sticks on with no problem. So I'm just gonna kind of lay out the planners. I have so many cute ones to choose from, so I just want to kind of have an idea of which ones that I want to actually choose. So the glue that I'm going to be using is called Liquid Fusion. I get this on Amazon for about $13. So I'm just going to add the glue on and then place the pieces right on. It's super simple. This glue is non-toxic and it takes about 24 to 40 hours to cure. I lost the top that goes to it, so that's why it was kind of hard to get out. So I just took my picker just to kind of open it up. You see, I put that really cute water drop bling on there, that chunky bling. So I'm going to add some smaller rhinestones in between. So I'm almost finished. Just literally probably didn't even take any more than 10 minutes. I'm using a wax picker tool to pick up those smaller size rhinestones. Those things really come in handy. I have some on my website, but you can also get them on Amazon. It's called the Rhinestone Wax Pickup Tool. Made so far with the new inventory planners that I have. Now I am going to also show you what I'm going to do next. I have this plain cell phone case, and I'm just going to take my scissors and score it, wipe it off with some alcohol, and then I'm just going to add some planners to it and show you what you can do with the cell phone case. Okay, so here I'm just getting the surface just nice and rough. You can use some sandpaper, or you can just score it like I'm doing with these scissors, and then you can wipe it off with some alcohol. And I'm just going to add the liquid fusion glue and just place them on and just fill up this cell phone case. Just to give you an example, of course you can add more rhinestones and pearls or whatever you like, but it just goes to show how these planner charms are so versatile, and they are super cute and adorable. I've also used them on cups. I've decorated like a little girl's purse with these. There's just so much you can do with them, and towards the end of the video, or at the end of the video, I'll show you a couple other items I use these on. And you can use the coupon code MyRoyalBeauty10 off, the number 10 off, for a special discount on my website, and there is free shipping. And this is almost finished, and I'll show you the final result in just a moment. Okay, so I hope you guys did enjoy this video of these new planner charms that I have available on my website. They are now currently available. This is not all I have to choose from. This is just some restock and some new ones that I have in, but I have a ton to choose from, literally a ton. Now in this next clip, I'm going to show you how I use these to decorate these LED customized mirrors. One on the left was for my aunt. The one on the right was for my 10-year-old daughter. And that nice Chanel one, the MCM, the other Chanel, the shoe. And then this is the final finished result of my business card case. I absolutely love this. Came out so cute. Of course, pink is my favorite color, so you see more hints of pink in there, but there's definitely a lot to choose from. And here is the cell phone case. Of course, you can go in and add more rhinestones, pearls, or whatever it is that you like in between to fill up that design. Again, check out my website, myroyalradiance.com, and use that coupon code. Thanks again. I hope you did find this video helpful. And please subscribe to this channel if you'd like to. If you do decide to subscribe, make sure you hit that notification bell. Thanks again. Bye-bye. Check out our website, myroyalradiance.com, and we do carry faux leather inspired designer fabric for your crafting needs, luxury inspired croc charms, as well as iron-on patches and much more. Enjoy the coupon code MyRoyalBeauty10 off. Check out our website, crtacticaldefense.com, where we do sell in-waistband gun holsters, belly band holsters, and many more. Please check out my discount code VIBES for a special discount for my subscribers.